club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast on me. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's
It can also change according to someone actually speaking. This thing is so freaking cool. Now you can change the different colors if you want it all one color, from green to blue. You can change the intensity of the speed if you want it to flash fast. Right now it's on yellow and it's pulsating. It's on blue now and it's pulsating. It really makes that blue pop. It's in the background. Now it's purple. And I like white because the white shows, you know, all of the colors in its true self. That's a red, green, red, blue, all different colors. If you wanted to strobe, like disco, you could do the strobe and go as fast or slow as you want. Change the colors to rainbow. So you just want to notice how just the lights alone make the backdrop look like different colors. So sometimes if you don't have, you know, like a lot of different color fabric, just utilize lights, because lights can actually change the color of your fabric easily. So now let's just say you're looking for a specific color, but you're not sure how to find the actual color because you don't have the number. You can pull up any photo in your phone and you just point on the photo, the color that you're looking for, and guess what? It will automatically adjust. Now, how cool is that? Now, the lights also are motion censored, meaning you can change them just by shaking your phone. So if these lights look like something that you would be interested in, just check the description below and you will see the actual direct links on where you can purchase these lights from. And the best part is they are really inexpensive.
So guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, guess what? You can click either one of these videos below to get even more tips, tricks, and resources, right? But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so you can get the notifications so you know every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. Stay tuned, be blessed, and again, share this video. Have anything you'd like to see specifically? Put it down below in the comments and I'll be sure to get it on the schedule.